120 useful English phrases for everyday use. 41. Break down something. To divide something into parts, to separate something into simpler substances. Example: we tried to break down the problem for further study. The sugar began to break down soon after it was swallowed. 42. Break up. To separate. To divide into groups or pieces. To put an end to something. Example: nobody wanted to break up their groups. We usually break up into small groups during our class. 43. By the way, incidentally. Example: by the way, could you please bring your laptop computer tomorrow? 44. Carry out something. To put something into action. To accomplish something. To do something. Example: the scientist wanted to carry out several experiments before discussing the new medicine. 45. Come on, please hurry, go faster. Example: come on, I only have a few minutes before I must go. Come on, stop doing that. 46. Come up. To happen unexpectedly. Example: I will not be able to go to the party if something else comes up. 47. Come up with something. To produce or find a thought, idea, or answer. Example: I tried to come up with a name for the new magazine. 48. Deal with something. To be concerned with something. To take action about something. Example: we will deal with the boxes tomorrow. 49. End up. Doing something or going somewhere. To do something that one had not planned to do. To go somewhere one had not planned to go. Example: we ended up going to a restaurant after the movie last night. 50. Figure out someone or something. To try to understand someone or something, to solve something. Example: I finally figured out how to use the new DVD player. 51. 24/7. Every minute of every day, all the time. Example: you can access our website 24/7. It's very convenient. 52. Fill in something. To write words in blank spaces. Example: please fill in this form and give it to the receptionist. 53. Find out something. To learn or discover something. Example: my mother is angry at me because she found out that I had quit my French class. 54. First of all. The very first thing. Example: first of all, we prepared the garden and then we planted the seeds. 55. For good, permanently. Example: the city will close the public swimming pool for good next week. 56. For sure. Without doubt, certainly, surely. Example: I will go to the movie with you for sure next week. 57. Get back to something. To return to something. Example: I was happy to get back to my work after my holiday. 58. Get into something. To become interested or involved in something. Example: I don't want to get into an argument with my friend. We will get into the details of the plan tomorrow. 59. Get into somewhere. To enter somewhere. Example: my friend wants to get into a good university. I bumped my head as I was getting into the car. 60. Get out of somewhere. To leave somewhere, to escape from somewhere. Example: I want to hurry and get out of my house.